Happy holidays from Nikki Golly and Fuel Your Body. Today I wanted to talk about exercise while doing normal activities. What I'm going to do is clean my tower garden, which is a normal activity that I do every so often. So what you can do while you're doing a normal activity like I'm going to do is you bring in your abs. You think about bringing your belly button into where your bra strap would be. Guys, you know where that is too. So you bring it up and in. And doing that is holding your core straight while doing an activity, like cleaning the mineral buildup off the tower garden, because I know many of you have tower gardens. Minerals are the only real dirty part about the tower garden, because I know many of you have them and they're so much fun, right? And for those of you who don't have them, it's a great holiday gift that keeps giving, hint, hint. But that is a great exercise. One, bringing in your abs, and the other one is squats. Squatting while cleaning the tower garden. Squatting and using those amazing muscles. Strengthen your muscles while you do normal activities, because why not, right? I like doing multiple things at one time, like getting your heart rate up, maybe going fast while doing it, to help you burn off some of those extra calories. So when you eat that extra piece of pumpkin or pecan pie, like I so love doing, helps it. All right, just a quick tip about your holiday feast and extravaganza while also burning some calories at the same time. Happy holidays, and I'll see you next week.